Hi, it's Leon from Evolve North Coffee Roasters. Today I'm showing you how to store your coffee beans. So it's the end of the shift and we want to empty the beans. Now we don't leave them in the hopper because beans become stale overnight and we don't want to waste coffee for the next morning. And all you need is an airtight container. Now you can get some really cool storage units from places like Fella Old and Airscape, but if you go to the supermarket and get an airtight container, that's all you need. So step one, let's open the container. Close the flap here so beans don't go everywhere. Figure out how to take off your hopper. You might have a different grinder than us. And save them. All right, so airtight container, beans, done. Now, where should I leave them? If I leave them right here, it's going to be hit by the sun, which is also going to deteriorate the coffee. So we want to find a nice dark space away from humidity, meaning water. So under the benches, kind of away from the machine or the plumbing is a great option. And they are good for the next morning. So we've just emptied the hopper and stored our beans. So this is a great opportunity to use grinder tablets. Awesome, so we're grabbing our grinder tablets, opening that up, and we want about a cupful. That is about the right amount. Awesome, so chuck these in, make sure that the flaps are open. And if we focus here, those grinder tablets are getting rid of all the oils remaining in the blades. Now after you use your grinder tablets, there's a great opportunity to clean your hopper. Should be doing this every night. Use soapy water and just a soft sponge so it doesn't scratch the hopper. Now you are doing this to remove all the oils, something that the customers can also see. This doesn't just look bad, it also makes the coffee taste worse when it keeps building up this coffee oil. So make sure to clean your grinder every day, use soapy water and grinder tablets, and you will see a result in a better tasting coffee. Now how much coffee do I have to grind through before I can make any drinks? Make sure just to grind until you don't see any yellow particles flowing through the chamber or ending up in your basket. And then after that, one more shot just to be safe and you should be good to go.